Welcome to T-Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pasocial media. Holiday chematama gamo okumbira rurengerero kuna uebert angeland naDJ ollah terera munzwa vari kudedzera kuti pakakanganisika. Handisi kuti ndaitei akumbira rurengerero mukomana nzwa yapo.
Oyo is the leader of the youth and the speaker of the truth. So I ndandamboita live earlier on, but because of a lot of my network issues and vamwe vasipo, so they might not have heard what I was saying. The first thing that I tried to explain to you is I'm obliged to hear what the youth are saying because I'm the leader of the youth. And there's been growing opinion about that interview, especially around the issue here, church. Church is something that I have high regard and respect for, so it's the only thing that I will address. Moshe says it can go anywhere it goes. I'm not here to destroy anything. I'm not here to taint anything. If anything, ndinotoonekwa in a certain video talking about how my prayerfulness ndakadzidziswawo from watching my sermons and the efforts anoitwa nana uebert angel to go forward. Plus also nyaya yekuti at family level uebert musukuru wangu ini sasa manyanga vanototiwo sekuru, so me having kuzonogara matare just in case there's any problem, I'm not the one that was supposed to drop anything. That's what I feel. I might have taken a little bit of an elderly step on this one in the Christian community and also at family level. So I just want to say to you, pakabhayizika man, and hey, pakabhayizika, and I'll probably never be able to do this. And the reason why I'm here with some of my chiefs and my comrades is because even interview you see, even ollah one, because we were there. So we also want to show the expression here, so we are feeling a little bit set back by zvakuitika, vanhu vari kutenga nyaya dzacho, and everyone just seems so hell-bent on putting the men down, which is not what I was trying to do. Muzukuru, kana mapedza kuparidza muzukuru, ngatiwonani. Let's speak and let's sit down. Pakabhayizika muzukuru. Oyo.
I'm sure you've heard from the horse's mouth. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.